Okay, great. We're going to try something new. E-bike errands. Last night I dropped my car off at the tire shop because I need to get a new driver's side tire and also need an oil change. So right now we're just going to go drop the key off and come right back. My son rode the bike last time. He always puts it on a high gear. When I'm riding, I actually sort of like to get a little bit of a workout even though I'm on my e-bike. And this is a little bit of a preview of my neighborhood. I'm really happy that I get a chance to live in such a nice neighborhood. Okay, the hardest part about riding is coming up my street. I live at the bottom of the neighborhood. It's a very hilly neighborhood. So getting out of the neighborhood is a lot more difficult than coming back because it's pretty much all uphill, as you'll see here in a moment. Morning. I'm good. You all right? Awesome. It's late March, so spring is upon us. So a lot of these trees are going to be bringing back their leaves, and this neighborhood is going to be absolutely gorgeous. Okay, this is actually a very difficult way to get out of the intersection because it's a blind spot right here, so it's difficult. Cool thing about riding at this time of day. I feel a lot more comfortable riding on the road. So I'll hop out of the road if I see a car coming behind me. So now I see a car coming behind me, so I'm actually going to hop on the sidewalk because I like being safe. Great, so that car just turned off. So I'm gonna go back out to the road. Again, when you're riding on the road, it's a lot smoother. So it's a whole lot more ideal. So that's what I like to do whenever I can. Okay. So we got another car coming. So let's go ahead and hop back on the sidewalk, but there's someone there, so I'm gonna have to just ride fast. All right, back to the road. There's no one behind me. Great. Seems like we have a car that's about to turn out, probably coming this direction. Where we're going is a fairly popular place just because there's a lot of grocery stores. There's like 4 grocery stores there. There are probably a dozen restaurants. There's all sorts of other businesses. So people are usually going there. But for the time of day it is, I'm surprised there's actually this amount of people on the road. I can usually get to where I'm going completely on the road during this time of day. Now, if it's during like rush hour or like traffic time around 5 o'clock, I pretty much have to ride the sidewalk the entire way. And then I always have to watch here because people are turning into this parking lot. And also I'm gonna have to cross the road. So usually when I do that, I go full throttle, but I should be good. And now I can lay off throttle and go back to pedal assist. Okay, let's go this way. Hey, I actually sort of don't really like going in in parking lots because there's actually a lot of cars in the parking lot that are moving, and a lot of times they're not really looking. My nose. They're not really looking. So there's a higher likelihood that they won't see you. So that's just something you have to be careful of. Okay, I'm pulling into the tire and auto store area, and I'm gonna leave my bike right here. And usually I would lock it up, but since I'm going to be right in front of the door, I think it's fine. Okay, that was my errand to the bike shop. I should have recorded the trip on the way back because it was a little crazier than normal. There was a lot of cars on the road, but it was fine. Thank you for coming with me on this e-bike errand. See you soon.